This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Neuman. Beautiful furnished end-unit townhome for a first-time home buyer. This unit is located conveniently across the clubhouse, community pool and shuffleboard. The townhome is a 2-bedroom on a split floor plan with tile through the entire property on a single level. As you enter the private courtyard, you will have access to storage. The kitchen has been upgraded with granite countertops and newer appliances. Washer and dryer included in the sale. A must-see to appreciate. This will not last. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Neuman at 321-308-3268.